Guard was around the house. She came, she opened the door. Eh? So now you can't even afford electricity. I took her to a restaurant. I put ice cream. I put my ring in ice cream so that as she scoops ice cream, she might meet the ring. She scooped one. It's very sweet. Thank you. The second, the third, she got the ring. Hello, hello. What is this? I said, no. I was proposing. Will you marry me? I knew you wanted to kill me. After that disappointment, I took her home, and since it was cold, I was like, okay, maybe we can do some co-curricular activities. Mchaka. This woman does not know romance at all. We were in bed, it was night, so I was like, let me start slowly. So I took the hand, I took it there. She didn't react. She was quiet 1 minute, second minute. After the third minute, she's like, hello, what are you looking for? I said, that's called romance. Yeah, it's very sweet, continue. Prince Emma, God bless you.